my name is Stacey Mantich, and I'm a nursing instructor here at the United Career Institute Irwin campus. This is Lindsey Harris. She is a member of our April 2021 nursing class. Lindsey will perform sterile gloving for you today. Nurses use sterile gloving in different procedures that require a sterile field, like inserting Foley catheters, sterile dressing changes, and performing tracheostomy care and suctioning to prevent the transmission of infection. Lindsey has already introduced herself to the patient, confirmed the patient's identifiers, and washed her hands thoroughly. She has chosen the correct size gloves and made sure the package was intact, free from damage, and is not expired. She will open the outer package and remove the inner package carefully. She will open the inner package and consider the outer 1-inch border contaminated. With her non-dominant hand, she will grasp the inner part of the glove only, sliding her dominant hand into the glove without touching the outside of the glove. Next, with her gloved dominant hand, she will insert her fingers under the cuff and slip her non-dominant hand into the glove while being mindful of her thumb placement. She will grasp the middle of the paper and discard. She is now ready to perform her sterile procedure. While she is wearing sterile gloves, she will keep her hands in front of her, above her waist, and below her shoulders at all times. This is just one of the many skills you will learn in our 1-year LPN program here at United Career Institute.